I have a new dog kennel from Garvee today. I forgot the exact size for this one, but I'll put the specifications right up here on the screen. This does have a main door right here in the front that opens, and it does have a smaller door for your little friends so they can go in and out, or you can access the food in the water dish, which does come with it. You can also remove these and you can take them in and you can wash them, fill them up, and then bring them back. These are also made where you could put a clip or a little lock on here if you got your little escape artists that know how to open these. This does come with a fabric cover that'll keep your pets dry during the rain, and it'll keep them shaded on those really hot summer days. This one is longer than it is wider. Also, every bar is made of a metal, so it is going to be a little bit more durable. And it is almost tall enough for me to be fully standing upright. The assembly did take a little bit to put together because it is a lot of pieces, but it is pretty easy and pretty straightforward to do. I was able to do it all by myself, but it did take a little bit of time with all the pieces like I mentioned. There are a lot of them. Every little bar, everything is a piece. This one is large enough for some larger dogs, but it's going to be perfect for your smaller dogs. If you're looking for a dog kennel, this one is from Garvee. Pretty easy to put together, pretty durable, but it looks pretty decent and it works pretty well.